Welcome back to the gluten-free recipes. Today we are going to cook a quick and easy dessert called chocolate fudge. In a small pan, add 400 ml of condensed milk and 400 grams of gluten-free chocolate and constantly stir until the chocolate is dissolved. When the mixture starts thickening up, add 100 grams of walnut quarters. Let it rest for a couple of minutes and then start smearing with oil a small tray. Then pour in the mixture. Beat it up against the worst surface, then level it up and put it in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. Enjoy and don't forget to like this video.